Hey guys, this is Inga here again, and I have another informative video for you guys. Well, right now I'm going to be doing some wax melts for you guys, and these are sweet scented strawberry scents, and you're gonna love it. So if you're new here, just go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to all you oldies but goodies. Like these videos, turn on your notifications, and let's get into this video. So here I have my silicone cupcake holders that I'm going to be using. As you can see, they're colorful. I wanted to do all of these colors, but I think I didn't have the green on hand. But anyways, that'll be later. And I'm also going to be doing a few of the bigger cupcakes, as you can see sitting in the background there. So what we're going to be using today is the virgin coconut soy wax. I love this wax. I think I mentioned it earlier in another video, but I only did one candle video. Gosh, I have to be doing more of these. So yeah, I am doing like 17 ounces of the wax right now. And as you can see, I already put it into my heat plate warmer, and that's my candle container right there that I'm mixing the wax in. So yeah, we're just gonna wait until this wax melts down to its temperature, and then we're gonna be adding our flavors in. And this is the strawberry cheesecake flavor, and I just add a little bit of the birthday cake flavor. And you're going to be needing, I did like 1.5 ounce of it. So I'm going to be adding the wicks into the bigger cupcake holders. And I think these are the Eco 4 number 4 wicks. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's what I use for that, number 4. And yeah, so I will be doing more demonstrations, more explanations on the wicks and so forth, but the business is very time consuming, so I haven't been doing much videos on it as I should. So yeah, I'll be teaching you guys or showing you guys more about the candles and so forth. Yeah, so I think I have it at the temperature that it is needed to be at, and I'm just going to remove it from the heat warmer and give it a bit more of a stir. And then I'm going to be adding the scents to it, the candle flavorings or the scents to this mixture, but it has to be at 180 degrees. That's the high end. As it cools down, I will be adding the scents into the candle wax. So yeah, I can go ahead and put all those good stuff in this and get on to the next phase of this. So yes, I checked it already and it's good to go. So yeah, we're going to be adding all of that into this wax. And then I'm just gonna give it a stir. I shouldn't be stirring it that fast, but I'm just gonna give it a slow stir. Make sure the scent is incorporated into the wax well, because we don't just want to go ahead and stir, and everything is not mixed properly, because we have two different scents in this wax melt. So remember, I told you it's the birthday cake and the strawberry cheesecake in it. I don't think I added anything else, but it smells so amazing. It smells very amazing. So I'm going to bring it down to the temperature that it should be so that I can go ahead and pour. So what happened was I forgot to add the coloring into this mixture. It's supposed to be like a light brown, or like the cake like color, the cupcake like color, coloring into it, but I totally forgot until a few of the last little mini cupcakes. That's when I remembered, and so I did a few of those with the coloring. But forgive me guys, but However, you're going to put these in some, if you're doing this, you're going to put them in some little mini cupcake holders so you wouldn't even see the colors that it's just a plain straight color, white. So that's okay. That's perfectly fine. But next time we will be doing it absolutely correctly. So I'm just going to pour all of these into the little mini ones and then the bigger ones afterwards. And then we'll let it sit and stay and get hard. And then we're going to come back and do the rest of it. I am telling you guys, I love this so much, doing these little cupcakes and cake things and cakes. Oh, I think I'm in a bakery, which I love to bake also and decorate little cakes and stuff. So it's like matches my hobbies and my passion very well. So I absolutely love doing this. And the fun part is still ahead. So don't you go anywhere, just stick around and we'll continue the rest of this. So we're gonna put the holders onto the wicks. I really love these sticks. They're like what you call those sticks? You know what I mean, like for craft, but they have the hole drill inside of them. I got these from Amazon. If you guys wanted to know, I'll have that linked below also. And I really, really like these. So I have a few others, but these are my favorite. I don't know why. I love these. It's more it's easier, they're lighter, it's handier, and they do a good job. So this is a day later because I wanted them to really, really solidify and get at its hottest point. So I left them overnight, and here we have these on display right here. So I'm just gonna pop them out like so because the silicone cupcake makes it very simple and easy. It's not really, really hard, like sticked in it. It comes out very easy out of these silicone. What you can do is you can even push them from the bottom of the silicone cup, and then you can push it up first and then peel them open, how I'm doing like right here. So yeah, you can, it's very, very simple and easy. So mind you, this virgin soy wax is not as hard as the regular soy wax, so you have to be very careful. It's hard enough for you, it doesn't melt, I should say, but it doesn't get as hard as the regular soy wax or the 464 soy wax. So like I told you guys earlier, I showed you that brown one or that yellowish color one, like a swirl like. I have a few like those, but most of them I forgot to add the coloring in them. And maybe I should do a video on adding colors, or you can even mix the colors if you're good at that and get a desired color that you would like. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that in my next video. If you guys are looking forward to that, just give me a thumbs up or just say yeah in the description box below. Yeah, so that's all done, and I have them in the cupcake holders. I think I'm saying that correctly. I have the gold and the silver, as you can see right there. And then we're just gonna start the fun part. So what happened was, like I said, this virgin coconut soy wax is a bit softer than the 464 soy wax. So it gave me a little bit of a problem when I was decorating them. And so, but as I go into this more, I will eventually get better with it. But it didn't come out bad, but it's just that the consistency is not as good as the soy wax. But however, this wax is the bomb. It's just that you're gonna have a few little issues. You're gonna have to keep practicing with this wax if you want to do like baking candle stuff like cupcakes and cakes, and if you want to decorate them and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the problem with this wax. So the first one I did was a yellow, and as you can see, it's a very bright yellow, and I'm mixing because we don't want any lumps or anything in this. And then I am going to be putting them onto the mini cupcakes. So right there, I am adding them first onto into saran wrap. This is the Glad, the sticky wrap type, or you could use the regular saran wrap. And then I'm gonna put it in my piping bag, and then I'm gonna squirt it onto the little mini cupcakes. So like I said, I did have some issues with this wax when applying it to the cupcake. It wasn't as firm as you would like it to be. So, and when I tried to get it a bit firmer, it started to lump up, but I had to do something else. What did I do? I think I stirred it vigorously, or I got my mixer. You can, yeah, you can use your mixer. I have a hand held mixer that I usually use for the candles and stuff like that, to give it a bit of a more whip consistency. So yeah, that's what happened with that. And then I had to go over it a few times, and you know, it ended up coming out pretty good, pretty good. So I'm just gonna speed this up a bit for you guys because we have a lot to do. So we've come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this informative video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.